Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Dippy eggs and soldiers. This classic breakfast is simple, comforting, and absolutely delicious. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients and kitchen tools. You'll need 2 large eggs, 2 slices of your favorite bread, and a small amount of butter. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature for consistent cooking. Let's get started on this delightful meal. Now, let's get those eggs perfectly soft-boiled. First, bring a small saucepan of water to a vigorous boil. Gently place your 2 room-temperature eggs into the boiling water using a spoon to prevent cracking. For a wonderfully runny yolk, cook them for precisely 3 to 4 minutes. Once time is up, quickly move the eggs into an ice bath to halt the cooking process, ensuring that ideal creamy center. While our eggs are cooling, let's prepare the delicious soldiers. Pop 2 slices of your chosen bread into the toaster until they reach your desired golden brown crispness. As soon as they're ready and still warm, spread a generous amount of butter evenly across each slice. For the classic soldier experience, carefully trim off the crusts. Then, cut each slice into 4 uniform strips, approximately 1 inch wide, perfect for dipping. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your perfectly cooked Dippy eggs and soldiers. Carefully place each soft-boiled egg into its own egg cup. With a gentle tap of a spoon, open the top of each egg, revealing that inviting, runny yolk. Arrange your warm, buttered toast soldiers neatly around the eggs. Now, simply dip those crispy soldiers into the rich, golden yolk and savor every delightful bite. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.